Hello! Our topic for today's lesson is Angular Classification of Triangles. Lesson duration remains 5 minutes. Now, let us go through the lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to 1. Identify and classify triangles by their angles. 2. Use the classification of triangles to solve related problems. And 3. Identify interior and exterior angles. Please pay attention as we go through the lesson together. Identification and classification of triangles. A triangle is a closed plane shape with 3 sides. Triangles can be identified and classified by their angles as well as by their sides. The classification based on angles are as follows. 1. Acute angle triangle. 2. Obtuse angle triangle. 3. Right angle triangle. Note that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Now, let's see these angles one after the other. Acute angle triangles. An acute angle triangle is a triangle in which all the interior angles are acute angles. It can also be called acute angle triangle. This means each one of the angles in the triangle is less than 90 degrees. The image below is an acute angle triangle. Other examples include the following. That's brilliant. Obtuse angle triangles. An obtuse angle triangle is a triangle in which one of the interior angles measures more than 90 degrees. In an obtuse triangle, if one angle measures more than 90 degrees, then the sum of the remaining 2 angles is less than 90 degrees. Other examples include the following. That's brilliant. Right angle triangles. A right angle triangle is a triangle which has a right angle. This means that one of its angles measures exactly 90 degrees. The sum of the remaining 2 angles is 90 degrees. Note that the triangle has one long side opposite the angle 90 degrees called the hypotenuse. Other examples include the following. That's brilliant. Now, let's solve an example. Example 1. Find the unknown angle in the image below and name the triangle according to its angle. Solution. Remember that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, x plus 32 plus 44 equals 180 degrees. Adding up, we have x plus 76, which equals 180 degrees. To find x, we subtract 76 from 180. This gives us 104 degrees. Note that an obtuse angle triangle is a triangle in which one of the interior angles measures more than 90 degrees. Hence, this is an obtuse angle triangle. That's brilliant. Interior angles. Interior angles are angles that lie inside a shape or in the area bounded between 2 parallel lines that are intersected by a transversal. In geometry, interior angles are formed in 2 ways. 1. Angles inside a polygon. These are angles that lie inside a shape such as a polygon. An example is in the image below. 2. interior angles of parallel lines. These are angles that lie in the area between two parallel lines that are intersected by a transversal. An example is in the image below. That's brilliant. Exterior angles. The exterior angles of a triangle are the angles that form a linear pair with the interior angles by extending the sides of a triangle, as on the image below. It is important to note the following. The sum of the exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degrees. The exterior angles is always equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. The image on the board shows the exterior angles of a triangle. That's brilliant. Assignment. Pause the video, copy the following assignments, and write the answers in your notebook. In summary, we have learned the following in this lesson. 1. How to identify and classify triangles by their angles. 2. How to use the classification of triangles to solve related problems. And 3. How to identify interior and exterior angles. I believe you enjoyed this lesson. See you in our next class. Thanks and goodbye.